Chapter number 2, Biological Classification. Since the draw of civilization, there has many attempt to classify living organism. It was possible, interestingly, not using criteria that were scientific, but born on the need of use organism for our own use. Food, shelter, and cloth. Aristotle was earliest to attempt a more scientific basis for classification. He used simple morphological character to classify plant into tree, herb, shrub. He also divided animal into two groups, those which had red blood and those that did not. In Linnaeus' time, a two-kingdom system of classification with Plantae and Animalia kingdom was developed that had all Plantae and Animalia respectively. This system did not distinguish between eukaryotic and prokaryotic, unicellular and multicellular organism, photosynthetic green algae and non-photosynthetic fungi organism. Classification of organism into plant and animal was easily to understand, but large number of organisms did not fall into the either category. Hence, two kingdom classification used not a long time was found inadequate. Beside gross morphology, need was also felt to including other characteristics like cell structure, nature of wall, mode of nutrition, habitat, method of reproduction, revolutionary relationship, etc. Classification system for a living organism have hence undergo several changes over the time. Though plant and animal kingdom has been constant, all different system. The understanding what group or organism be include under this kingdom has been changing. The number and nature of other kinds of organism also have understood different by different scientists over the time. Characteristics of five kingdoms. Characters five kingdoms. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Cell type Monera prokaryotic, Protista eukaryotic, Fungi eukaryotic, Plantae eukaryotic, Animalia eukaryotic. Cell wall Monera non-cellulosic polysaccharide plus amino acid. Protista cell wall present in some. Fungi cell wall with chitin. Plantae cell wall cellulose. Animalia absent. Nuclear membrane Monera absent, Protista present, Fungi present, Plantae present, Animalia present. Body organization Monera cellular, Protista cellular, Fungi multicellular loose tissue, Plantae tissue organ, Animalia tissue organ and organ system. Third, mode of nutrition. Monera autotrophic, chemosynthetic and photosynthetic, heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasite. Protista autotrophic, photosynthetic and heterotrophic. Fungi heterotrophic, saprophytic, parasite. Plantae autotrophic, photosynthetic. Animalia heterotrophic, holozoic, saprophytic. R.H. Whitaker in 1969 proposed five kingdom classification. The kingdom defined by him named Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. The main criteria for classification used by him include cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogenetic relationship. Table number 2.1 give a comparative account of different characteristics of the five kingdom. Three domain system has also proposed the divide into kingdom Monera into two groups, leaving the remaining eukaryotic kingdom in the third domains, thereby six kingdom classification. You will learn about this system in detail in higher classes. Let us look at five kingdom classification to understand issue and consideration that influence the classification system. Earlier classification system include bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, fern, gymnosperm, and angiosperm under the plants. The characters that unified the whole kingdom was that all the organisms included had the cell wall in their cell. This placed together group which widely different in other characteristics. It brought together prokaryotic bacteria and the blue-green algae cyanobacteria with other group which were eukaryotic. It also grouped together the unicellular organism and the multicellular ones. See the example Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra were placed together under the plant under the algae. The classification did not differentiate between heterotrophic fungi and autotrophic green plant, though they also saw characteristic difference in their cell wall composition. Fungi had the chitin and their cell wall. The green plant had the cellulosic cell wall. When such characteristics were considered, the fungi were placed a separate kingdom, kingdom fungi. All the prokaryotic organisms were together under the kingdom Monera, and the unicellular eukaryotic organisms were placed a kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista has brought together Chlamydomonas and Chlorella, earlier placed in algae within a plant, both having cell wall, with Paramecium amoeba were earlier placed in animal kingdom, which lacks cell wall. It has to it has put together organisms which earlier classification were placed a different kingdom. This happened because the criteria for classification change. These kinds of change will take place a future to depending on the improvement of our understanding characteristics evolutionary relationship. Over time, over time, an attempt has been made a evolved classification system will reflect not only the morphological, physiological, reproductive similarities, but also phylogenetic that is based on evolutionary relationship. In this chapter, we will study the characters of the kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, while the Whitaker kingdom system. The kingdom Plantae and Animalia, commonly referred to as plant kingdom and animal kingdom respectively, will deal the separately chapter number 3 and 4. Kingdom Monera. Bacteria are the sole member of kingdom Monera that are the most abundant microorganism. Bacteria occurs almost everywhere, hundreds of bacteria present in handful of soil. They also live in the extreme habitat such as hot spring, desert, snow, deep ocean where very few other life form can survive. Many of them live in or on other organisms as a parasite. Bacteria are grouped under the four categories based on their shape. The spherical coccus, plural cocci, rod shape bacillus, plural bacilli, comma shape vibrium, plura vibrio, spiral spirillum, plura spirilla. First figure cocci, second bacillus, third spirilla, fourth vibrio. Though the bacterial structure is very simple, but they very complex in behavior as compared to other organisms. Bacteria are grouped so a most extensive metabolic diversity. Some of the bacteria are the autotrophic. They synthesize their own food from the inorganic substance. They may be photosynthetic autotrophic or chemosynthetic autotrophic. Vast majority of bacteria are the heterotrophic. They depend on the other organism or dead organic matter for food. Archaebacteria. These bacteria are the special since they live in some of the most harsh habitat such as extreme salty halophiles, hot spring thermocidophiles, marshy area methanogen. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria to having different cell wall structure. This feature is responsible for their survival in extreme conditions. Methanogen are present in the gut of the several ruminant animal such as cow and buffalo. They are responsible for the production of methane biogas from the dung of these animals. Eubacteria. There are thousands of different eubacteria are the true bacteria. They are characterized by presence of rigid cell wall and if motile flagellum. The cyanobacteria is also referred to as blue-green algae having chlorophyll A similar to green plant or photosynthetic autotrophic. Cyanobacteria are the unicellular, colonial, filamentous, freshwater, marine, terrestrial algae. The colonial are generally surrounded by gelatinous sheath. They are often bloom in water polluted body. Some of these organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Specialized cell is called heterocyst. Example, nostoc and anavena. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria oxidize various organic substances such as nitrates, ammonia, use a release energy for ATP production. They play a great role in recycling of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur. Heterotrophic bacteria, most abundant in nature, majority of important decomposer, many of them have a significant impact on human affairs. They are helping making curd from milk, production of antibiotic, fixing nitrogen in legume, root, etc. Some pathogenic causing damage a human being, crop, farm, animals, pets. Cholera, typhoid, tetanus, citrus canker are the well-known disease caused by different bacteria. Bacteria reproduce mainly by fission. Sometimes they are under unfavorable condition. They produce spore. They also reproduce by sort of sexual reproduction by adopting a primitive type of DNA transfer from one bacteria to another. Mycoplasma are the organisms that completely lack cell wall. They are smallest living cell known, can survive without oxygen. Many mycoplasma are pathogenic in animal and plants. Figure number 2.3, dividing bacteria. Outermost cell wall, then cell membrane, then DNA. Kingdom Monera. Kingdom Protista. All single cell eukaryotic are placed under Protista, but boundary of this kingdom not well defined. What they be a photosynthetic protist, one a biologist may have plant another. In this book, we include chrysophyte, dinoflagellate, euglenoids, slime molds, protozoa under Protista. Members of Protista are primarily aquatic. This kingdom form a link with other dealing with the plant, animal, and fungi. Being a eukaryotic, Protistian's cell body contain well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelle. Some have the flagella or cilia. Protista reproduce asexually and sexually by process involving a cell fusion and zygote formation. Chrysophytes. This group include diatoms and golden algae means that's mid. They are found in freshwater as well as marine environment. They are microscopic and float passively water current called plankton. Most of them photosynthetic. In diatom, cell wall form two thin overlapping cell which fit together as a soap box. The wall are embedded with the silica and thus wall are indestructible. Hence diatom are the left behind large amount of cell wall deposit in their habitat. This accumulation over billions of years referred to as diatomeous earth. Being a gritty, this use of polishing and filtration of oil and syrup. Diatoms are the chief producer in ocean. Dinoflagellate. These organisms are mostly marine and photosynthetic. They appear yellow, green, brown, blue, red depending on the main pigment present in their cell. The cell wall are stiff cellulosic plate on their outer surface. Most of them have two flagella, one lie longitudinally and other transversely in furrow between wall plate. Very often red dinoflagellate example Ganolex undergo rapid multiplication. They make to see appear a red means red tide. Toxin released by a such large number of may even kill other marine animal such as fish. Eugnoids. Majority of them are freshwater organisms found in stagnant water. Instead of cell wall, they have protein-rich layer are called pellicle, which make their body flexible. They have two flagella, one short and one long. They are photosynthetic in presence of sunlight. When deprived of sunlight, they behave like heterotrophic by predating other smaller organisms. Interestingly, the pigments of euglenoids are identical to present in the higher plants. For example, euglenoids. Slime moths. Slime moths are the saprophytic protists. They are move along with dealing twig along with decaying twig, leaf, engulfing organic material. Under suitable conditions, they form aggregation are called plasmodium, which may grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable conditions, the plasmodium differentiated and form fruiting body, bearing spore as their tip. The spore possess a true wall, they extremely resist and survive for many years. Under adverse condition, the spore dispersed by air current. All protozoa are heterotrophic, like a predator or parasite. They believe to be primitive relative of animal. There are four major group of protozoa. Amoeboid protozoa, these organisms live in fresh water, seawater, moist soil. They move and their capture prey by putting out pseudopodia, means false feet in amoeba. Marine form silica shell on their surface, some of them such as entamoeba as a parasite. Flagellated protozoa, the member of this group either free living or parasite. They have flagella, parasitic form causing disease such as sleeping sickness, example trypanosoma. Ciliated protozoa, these are aquatic, actively moving organisms because presence of thousands of cilia. They have cavity gullet that open outside the cell surface. Coordinated movement of the raw cilia cause water laden with food steer into the gullet. For example, paramecium. Sporozoa. These include diverse organisms that have the infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. Most notorious Plasmodium, malarial parasite which cause malaria, a disease which the staggering effect on the human population. Kingdom fungi. The fungi constitute a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. The great show a morphology inhabited. Great diversity in morphology and habitat. You must have seen fungi on a moist bread and rotten fruit. The common mushroom you eat, toadstool, is also fungi. White spots seen in mustard leaf due to parasitic fungus. Some unicellular fungi, that is yeast, are used as make bread and beer. Other fungi cause a disease in plant and animal. Wheat rust causing Puccinia is the important example. Some are the source of the antibiotic penicillium. Fungi are cosmopolitan, occur in air, water, soil, on animal and plants. They prefer to grow in warm and humid places. Have you ever wondered why keep up food in the refrigerator? Yes, it is prevent to food from going bad due to bacterial or fungal infection. With the exception of yeast, which are unicellular, and fungi are filamentous, their body consists of long slender thread-like structure are called hyphae. Network of hyphae is known as mycelium. Some hyphae are continuous tube filled with multinucleated cytoplasm. These are called syncytic hyphae. Other has the septate or cross wall in their hyphae. Cell wall of fungi composed of chitin and polysaccharide. Most fungi are heterotrophic, absorb soluble organic matter from dead substrates, hence are called saprophytes. Those that depend on the living plant and animal called parasite. They can also live in symbiotic association with algae as a lichen, with the root of higher plant as a mycorrhiza. Reproduction in fungi can take place by vegetative means, fragmentation, fission, budding. Asexual reproduction is by called conidia and sporangiospore and zoospore. And sexual reproduction is by oospore, ascospore, basidiospore. Various spores are produced a distinct structure called fruiting body. Sexual spores are involved in following three steps. First, fusion of two protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gamete called plasmogamy. Fusion of two different nuclei. Fusion of two nuclei are called karyogamy. Meiosis in zygote result in haploid spore. When fungus reproduce sexually, the two haploid hyphae compatible mating type come together and fuse. Some fungi fusion of two haploid cell immediately result in diploid cell means 2N. However, in other fungi, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, intervening dikaryotic stage, N plus N means two nuclei per cell occurs. Such conditions are called dikaryon and phase is called dikaryophase of fungus. Later parental nuclei fuse in the become a diploid. The fungi form a fruiting body which reduction division and occurs leading to formation of haploid spore. The morphology of mycelium, mode of spore formation and fruiting body form a basis of their division of kingdom into various classes. First, phycomycetes. Member of phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitat and on decaying wood in the moist and damp place are obligate parasite on plant. Mycelium is aseptate and cynocytic. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospore means motile and or by aplanospore means non-motile. These spores are endogenously produced in sporangium. A zygospore is formed by fusion of two gametes. These gametes are similar in morphology means isogamy or dissimilar in morphology means anisogamy or oogamy. Some common example mucor, rhizopus, bread mold mentioned earlier, and albugo as a parasitic mustard. Ascomycetes are commonly known as sac fungi. The ascomycetes are mostly multicellular. Penicillium are rarely unicellular. That is, yeast means Saccharomyces. They are saprophytic, decomposer, parasite, corphophilous, growing on dungs. Mycelium is branch and septate. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction spore are conidia produced exogenously on special mycelium called conidiophore. Conidia are germination to produce mycelium. Sexual spore are called ascospore produced endogenously in a sac like asci, singular ascus. These asci arranged in different type of fruiting body called ascocarp. For example, Aspergillus, claviceps, neurospora. Neurospora is used extensively biochemical and genetic work. Many members like morel and truffle are edible and considered as delicious. Basidiomycetes, commonly known as basidiomycetes are mushroom bracket fungi or puffball. They grow in soil, on log and tree stump and live in plant body as a parasite, rust and smut. Mycelium is branch and septate. Asexual spores are generally not found, but vegetative reproduction by fragmentation is common. Sex organ is absent, but plasmogamy is brought about fusion of two vegetative or somatic cell of different strain or genotype, result in structure in dikaryotic, which ultimately give rise a basidium. Karyogamy and meiosis takes place. Basidium produce a four basidiospore. The basidiospore are exogenously produce a basidium. The basidia are arranged in fruiting body called basidiocarp. Some common member of agaricus means mushroom, astilago means asthma, and puccinia means rust fungus. Deuteromycetes, commonly known as imperfect fungi because only asexual or vegetative phase of this fungi are known. When sexual form of these fungi were discovered, were moved into the classes they are rightly belong to. It is also possible the asexual or vegetative stage has been even one name placed under Deuteromycetes. Sexual stage another place under the another class. Later, when linkages were established, the fungi were correctly identified and moved out Deuteromycetes. Once perfect stage sexual of the member of Deuteromycetes were discovered, they are often moved into Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Deuteromycetes are reproduced only by asexual spore is known as conidia. Mycelium is septate and branch. Some of the members are spore saprophyte or parasite, while large number of them are decomposer or later help in mineral cycling. Some example of Alternaria, Coletotrichum, Trichoderma. Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae include all eukaryotic chlorophyll-containing organisms, commonly called plant. Few members are partially heterotroph, such as insectivorous plant or parasite. Bladderwort or Venus flytrap are the example of insectivorous plant, and Cuscuta is a parasitic. The plant cell has the eukaryotic structure with the prominent chloroplast and the cell wall is mainly made of cellulose. You will study in the eukaryotic cell structure in detail chapter number 8. Plantae include algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperm. The life cycle the life cycle of plant has two distinct phases, diploid sporophyte and haploid gametophyte. They alternate with each other. The length of haploid and diploid phase, whether these are free living and dependent on others. Vary among different group of plant phenomena is called as alternation of generation. You will study in further in detail in chapter number 3. Kingdom Animalia. This kingdom is characterized by heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms that are multicellular and their lack of cell wall. They are directly or indirectly depend on plant for food. They digest their food in internal cavity and store food reserve glycogen or fat. Their mode of nutrition is holozoic ingestion of food. They follow a definite growth and pattern and grow into adult. They have definite shape and size. Higher forms show elaborate sensory and neuromotor mechanism. Most of them are capable of locomotion. Sexual reproduction by copulation of male and female, followed by embryological development. The salient feature of various phyla are described chapter number 4. Virus, viroids, prions, and lichen. In the five kingdom classification, Whitaker, there is no mention lichen some acellular organism like virus, viroids, prions. These are briefly introduced here. All of us who are suffer a ill effect of the common flu, known what effect our virus can have on. Even if we do not associate with our condition, virus did not find the place classification since are not considered a true living. If the understand living those organisms that have the cell structure, the virus have non-cellular organisms that are characterized by having inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. Once they infect the cell, they over the machinery of the host cell replicate themselves, killing the host. Would would you call virus living or non-living? Virus means venom or poisonous fluid. Dmitry Ivanovsky in 1892 recognized the certain microbes causal organism of the mosaic disease of tobacco. These were found to be smaller than bacteria because they passes through the bacterial proof filter. M.W. Wizarnik in 1898 demonstrated that extract of infect plant tobacco could cause infection in healthy plant. The name a new pathogen virus called fluid contagium vivum fluidum, infectious living fluid. W. M. Stanley in 1935 saw a virus could be crystallized in a crystal consist of largely protein. They are inert outside their specific host cell. Virus are obligate parasite. In addition to protein, virus also contains genetic material that could be either RNA or DNA. No virus contain both RNA and DNA. Virus is nucleoprotein and genetic material is infectious. In general, virus have infect plant have the single strand RNA. Virus that infect animal have either single strand or double strand RNA or double strand DNA. Bacterial virus or bacteriophage virus that infect bacteria usually double strand DNA. The protein coat are called capsid are made of the small subunit are called capsomer that protect nucleic acid. These capsomer are arranged in helical polyhedral geometric form. Virus cause disease like mumps, smallpox, herpes, influenza. AIDS in the human is also caused by virus. In plant symptom, mosaic formation, leaf rolling, leaf curling, yellowing, vein clearing, dwarfing, stunted growth. Virus in 1971, Theo Daniel discovered the new infection agent that was smaller than virus caused potato spindle tuber disease. It was found to be free RNA. It lacked protein code that are found in viruses. Hence the name virus. The RNA of virus was low molecular weight. Prions modern medicine of certain infectious neurological disease were found to be transmitted by agent considering the abnormality folded protein. The agent was similar to size 2 virus. These agents were called prions. Most notable disease caused by prions is bovine spongiform encephalopathy, commonly called mad cow disease in cattle, and its analogous to variant C or Zika disease in the human. Lichen Lichen are the symbiotic association mutually useful association between algae and fungi. Algal component is known as phycobiont and fungal component is known as mycobiont, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic respectively. Algae prepare food for fungi and fungi provide shelter and absorb mineral and nutrient and water for its partner. So close their association that then one saw a lichen in nature, one would be never imagine that they two different organisms within them. Lichen are very good pollution indicator. They do not grow in polluted area. Summary. Biological classification of plant and animal was first proposed by Aristotle on the basis of simple morphological character. Linnaeus later disclassify all living organisms into two kingdoms, Plantae and Animalia. Whitaker proposed elaborate five kingdom classification, Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. The main criteria of five kingdom classification were cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogenetic relationship. In five kingdom classification, bacteria are include Monera. Bacteria are cosmopolitan in distribution. These organisms show a most extensive metabolic diversity. Bacteria may autotrophic or heterotrophic in their mode of nutrition. The kingdom protista include all single cell eukaryotic such as chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds, protozoa. Protista have defined Protista have defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelle. They reproduce both asexually and sexually. Member of kingdom fungi show a great diversity in structure, and habitat. Most fungi are saprophyte. Their mode of nutrition, they show a asexual or sexual reproduction. Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes are four classes under the kingdom fungi. The plantae include all eukaryotic chlorophyll-containing organisms, algae, bryophyta, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm. Include this group, life cycle of the plant exhibit alternation of generation, gametophyte and sporophyte generation. The heterotrophic eukaryotic multicellular organism lacking cell wall including the kingdom Animalia. Their mode of nutrition of this organism is holozoic. They reproduce mostly by asexual mode. Some acellular organisms like viroids as well as lichen are not included in the five kingdom system of classification.